Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the invisible world of gases and discover how they affect our lives every day. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kyra.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about gases. I know they're all around us, but I can't see them.
That's right. Gases are like invisible ninjas, sneaking around us without being seen. Can you think of a place where you might find gases?
Maybe in a balloon or in the air we breathe.
Exactly. Balloons are filled with gas, and the air we breathe is a mixture of different gases. Now, let's think like scientists. What do you think happens to the particles in a gas?
I think they move around a lot because gases can fill up any space.
Great thinking. In gases, particles are far apart and move freely in all directions. That's why gases can spread out and fill any container. Can you imagine how this is different from solids and liquids?
Solids must have their particles packed tightly, right? And liquids are somewhere in between.
Spot on. Solids have tightly packed particles that vibrate in place, while liquids have particles that are close but can slide past each other. Now, let's talk about air pollution. Do you know what that is?
I think it's when the air gets dirty from smoke and other things.
Exactly. Air pollution happens when harmful substances like smoke and gases mix with the air. It can make us cough or even cause breathing problems. Can you think of ways we might measure air pollution?
Maybe by seeing how much dirt is in the air?
That's a good start. Scientists often use special tools to measure air pollution, but we can also do simple experiments. For example, we can use petroleum jelly on plastic to catch particles in the air. What do you think would happen if we left it outside for a few days?
I guess it would collect some dirt and show us how polluted the air is.
Exactly. By observing the particles collected, we can learn about the air quality in different places. Now, let's summarize what we've learned today. Can you tell me a few things you discovered about gases?
Sure. Gases are all around us. They have particles that move freely, and they can cause air pollution if they're dirty.
Wonderful summary. Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.